Hi and welcome to this course. In this video lesson, we'll be talking about switch. So what exactly are switch and where do we use them? Well, switch are the conditionals which we use in place of long if-else statement. So here is what I mean. Suppose that your if-else and else-if statement has grown to like 50 lines, and to simplify those 50 lines of code, we use switch. And here is an example, but before I show you that example, let me make a variable first. So let age is equal to 20, okay, and then I will show you the example of switch. So just type in switch, and in the parenthesis just pass this variable. So the variable will be age, and then the curly braces, and we are checking whether the value of age is in these cases or not. So case 10, okay, and I will console log something. So console.log, and in here I will print value is 10, okay, and then I will copy this line and I will check for another case. So if the value is 10, then print this, and if the value is this case, so if the value is 20, then print this, and I will change the value from 10 to 20 here. And if the value is 30, so if the case is 30 or the value is 30, then please do this. Okay, now if none of these statements are true, so if case 10 is wrong, if case 20 is wrong, and if case 30 is wrong, then do what is default. So this is default, and if none of the above cases are true, then this default will be executed. So value is something else. Okay, now if I save this and if I refresh this page, then you will see the value is 20 and the value is 10 and the value is something else. Well, you'll say that this isn't working. Well, it is working, but we also need to break out of this switch statement when a certain case is true. So to break out of the cases, we need to type in the break keyword and then the semicolon. So at the end of every case, so this is case 10 and these are my statement inside the case 10, and after these statement we need to type in the break keyword. Okay, so the break keyword here and the break keyword here, and then if I save this, then you will see that after we have executed this case 20, after the case 20 is executed, the JavaScript will break out of this switch. It will not go to print, it will not go to execute all these lines of code. And let me change this from 10 to 30 first, okay, and then I will save this and I will go back to there and I will refresh that, and you will see the value is 20. Now if I change the value from 20 to 10 and if I save this and refresh this, then you will see the value is 10, just like that. And if I change the value from 10 to 30 and if I save this and refresh this, and you will see the value is 30. And if I change it from 30 to 33 and save this and refresh this, and you will see the value is something else. So this is your switch statement which can be used to eliminate long if-else line of code. Now if you have any question regarding the switch statement, make sure to leave them down below. And that's all gonna be it from me for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.